Hi, so I'm back in Kurama for a hiking, but it's raining right now. So I hope you will enjoy this video. じゃあ、行く？から、let's! But before starting our climb, let's check out the shop. Though it's famous for tsukudane, Japanese rice toppings simmered in soy sauce and mirin, was quite fascinated by the Tingu mask on display. Wanted to take one home, but in the end had to settle for a Tingu key holder.
そうですね。8セント。
In summer, Kurama looks like a completely different place from when I came here last winter. So the total hike takes about 2 to 3 hours depending on your pace. It's quite an easy climb as the path's been paved. And along the way, there are plenty of interesting spots to check out. First stop is the famous Yuki Shrine. Every year, except during the pandemic, the Kurama Fire Festival is held at this shrine. It is also here where you can find the 800-year-old cedar trees, which stand for about 53 meters tall, and it's the oldest in Kyoto. In the middle is a kongoshi depicting the star mandala. It is one of the most famous power spots in Japan. So try standing on the triangle with your arms outstretched towards the sky to connect with the power of the Sonten triad. According to the Lotus Sutra, the 6 points at the center represents the 6 ways humans connect to the world: eyes, ears, nose, mouth, body, and the heart. Here we have the Kinone Sando, or the tree root pilgrim path. So Kurama's cosmic energy have inspired numerous mythical tales. Take this spot for instance. It is believed to be the training ground of the famous warlord Minamoto no Yoshitsune. When he was young, he trained at night with the Lord of Tengo. Close by is the Osugi Gongen, or the giant sugi tree gongen, but unfortunately the place suffered some damage from the previous typhoon. No problem. Another spot is the Soju ga Dhani Fudodo, a sub-temple of Kurama-dera. Inside is an image of Fudo Myo, the immovable king of light from the Buddhist cosmology. Our last stop is the Okanowin Mountain, or the Mountain Sanctuary. This is where Mao Sun, the god of the mountain, believed to have landed 6 million years ago from the planet Venus. いった。Well, there you have it, Mount Kurama in summer. Come and hike it when you can. じゃあまたね. Until next time.